Ever wondered how your current eating habits are affecting your health journey? It's a question worth pondering, isn't it? As we navigate the hustle and bustle of daily life, we often overlook the importance of mindful eating habits. Yet, they play a pivotal role in our overall health and well-being. A balanced diet rich in nutrients not only fuels our bodies but also keeps our minds sharp and vibrant. So, let's embark on a culinary journey that marries health and taste. Today, we're going to explore the preparation of a delicious and nutritious Pakistani recipe. A dish that's as rich in flavor as it is in nutrients, the healthy vegetable biryani. This delightful meal is a testament to the fact that healthy food doesn't have to be boring or bland. It can be colorful, aromatic, and absolutely delectable. If you're ready to take a step towards a healthier lifestyle, this recipe is for you. To start off, gather all your ingredients. We'll need 2 cups of basmati rice. A staple in many households, basmati rice is not only flavorful, but it also provides essential carbohydrates to fuel your body. Remember to wash and soak the rice for about 30 minutes before we begin. Next, let's talk about vegetables. We will use 1 cup of mixed chopped vegetables such as carrots, potatoes, and peas. These vegetables are packed with vitamins and minerals, offering a wealth of health benefits. For instance, carrots are a rich source of beta-carotene, which is good for your eyesight, while peas are high in fiber, which aids in digestion. Our aromatic elements include 1 medium-sized onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a small piece of ginger, all finely chopped. These ingredients not only add a delightful depth of flavor to our biryani, but they also possess impressive health benefits. Garlic, for instance, is known to boost immunity and improve heart health. Adding further to our flavorful ensemble, we have a mix of spices. A teaspoon each of turmeric, curry powder, and cumin. Spices are not just flavor enhancers. They are also loaded with antioxidants that help protect your body from harmful free radicals. Now let's not forget the healthy fats. We'll be using 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which is known for its heart-healthy properties. To season, we'll need some salt and black pepper according to taste. And for a traditional biryani touch, 1 clove and 1 whole cardamom. We'll also need 4 cups of hot water for cooking. And finally, for garnish, we'll use some fresh herbs like cilantro or mint. Herbs not only add a burst of freshness, but are also rich in antioxidants and vitamins. So are you ready with all the ingredients? Excellent! With all ingredients ready, we can now start cooking our healthy vegetable biryani. Stay tuned for a delightful culinary journey that marries health and taste in a single dish. Now it's time to bring all the ingredients together. Our aromatic journey begins by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Into this, we add the chopped onion, minced garlic, and ginger, sautéing them until they turn into a beautiful golden brown. This not only brings out their flavors but also sets the stage for the other ingredients to shine. Next, it's time to introduce our mixed chopped vegetables into the pot. We continue sautéing for about 5 minutes just until they soften a tad. This process helps the vegetables retain their crunch, enhancing the overall texture of the biryani. Now let's add some color and flavor to our canvas. We sprinkle in our turmeric, curry powder, cumin, salt, and black pepper. Stirring them well ensures that every bit of our dish gets a taste of these spices. This is where the magic happens, as the spices blend seamlessly with the vegetables, infusing them with their distinct flavors. But what's a biryani without rice? We add our washed and soaked basmati rice to the pot, sautéing it for a minute. This step is crucial as it coats each grain of rice with the spices and vegetables, guaranteeing a burst of flavor with every bite. We're almost there. Now it's time to pour in 4 cups of hot water, adding our clove and cardamom. A quick stir and we let it come to a boil. The clove and cardamom subtly infuse the rice with their unique flavors, adding depth and complexity to our biryani. Once the mixture boils, we reduce the heat to low and cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid. This is the moment where patience is key. We let our biryani cook undisturbed for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the rice to absorb all the flavors and become fully cooked and tender. And there we have it. Once the rice is fully cooked, we remove the pot from the heat and let it sit for about 5 minutes. This step is essential as it allows the steam to settle, making our biryani even more flavorful. Once the rice is fully cooked and tender, the biryani is ready. But hold on, there's one more step. Before serving, we remove the clove and cardamom from the biryani. This ensures that the flavors remain in the dish, but no one gets a surprise bite of an entire clove or cardamom pod. To finish off, we garnish our biryani with fresh chopped herbs like cilantro or mint. This not only adds a pop of color but also introduces a fresh element to our dish, balancing out the rich flavors of the spices. There you have it. Our healthy vegetable biryani is ready to be served. But remember, health is not just about eating right, but also about enjoying what you eat. So take your time, savor each bite, and embark on this delicious journey to health with Mr. Mustafa. Scene script. Here comes the most satisfying part, serving your healthy vegetable biryani. It's not just about piling it onto a plate, but presenting it in a way that makes the dish even more appetizing. Begin by fluffing the rice gently with a fork to separate the grains. This ensures that each morsel is infused with the aromatic spices and the vibrant colors of the vegetables. Transfer the biryani onto a serving dish and spread it out evenly. Don't forget to remove the clove and cardamom before you do this. For a finishing touch, sprinkle freshly chopped herbs such as cilantro or mint over the biryani to enhance its visual appeal and add an extra layer of flavor. Now, as you relish this delicious meal, let's not forget the health benefits that come along with it. Biryani, typically a rich dish, has been transformed into a healthful meal that doesn't skimp on taste. This version, packed with an array of vegetables, is high in vitamins and minerals. The carrots provide a good dose of vitamin A, essential for eye health, while the peas offer a wealth of vitamin K, crucial for bone health. Moreover, the basmati rice is a great source of energy, providing complex carbohydrates that are released slowly into your system, preventing sugar spikes and keeping you satiated for longer. The aromatic spices, not just adding flavor, also have health-promoting properties. Turmeric, for instance, is known for its anti-inflammatory benefits, while cumin aids in digestion. To make this meal even more balanced, consider serving it with a side of plain yogurt or a fresh salad. Yogurt adds a creamy contrast to the spicy biryani and is a good source of probiotics which promote gut health. A fresh salad, on the other hand, can add a crunchy texture and additional fiber to your meal. There you have it, a healthy, flavorful meal that does not compromise on taste. Enjoy your homemade healthy vegetable biryani, knowing that you're not only satisfying your taste buds, but also nourishing your body. Creating healthier eating habits doesn't have to be a daunting task. In fact, today we've shown you how simple it can be by creating a delicious and nutritious meal with our healthy vegetable biryani recipe. Packed with an assortment of vibrant vegetables and aromatic spices, this dish is not just a delight for the palate, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. The best part is, it's so easy to make. This recipe is a testament to the fact that healthy eating is not about depriving yourself, but rather about finding balance and making smarter choices. So, why not give this recipe a try? It could be your first step towards a healthier lifestyle, and remember, every small step counts. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Remember, your journey to health is a marathon, not a sprint. See you in our next video.